Once you handle it for subcutaneous injection of mice and you want to administer treatment, say you can use the flank, both sides, any of the sides here, or you use here where you do the tenting. Now in most cases, instead of suspending the animals like this, you can put your hand here if you have shaking hand. Shaking hand is common among technologists, biomedical staff or students, researchers. So if you know you are having a shaking hand, you can put your hand on a platform. That will make your hand to be more stable. Then you administer the treatment. So you've already taken the measurements. Say, for me, for example, I'm using 0.1 for my dose. So I will administer it here. So ensuring that my hand is stable. So at angle 45 degrees. So to it. Then you release the dose. Now you can see that why it's even good sometimes you place your hand on a support is that once the animal is struggling, it will not injure the animal. You will not injure it because your hand is more stable now that it's on the platform. So that is one other technique, other method you can use when you are administering subcutaneous injection. Thank you.